With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, so here's a question. It says that an extremum value of function f of x equals to sin inverse x whole cube plus cos inverse x whole cube is. So in this question we have a function and we have to find out its extremum value, that is its maximum and minimum value. Okay, so let's start. Let me write down the given function first, that is f of x equals to sin inverse x whole cube plus cos inverse x whole cube, right? So here you can see that we have a cube plus b cube, right? So a cube plus b cube is actually equal to a plus b in bracket a square plus b square minus ab, right? So we will use this from this identity here. So this will become f of x equals to a plus b, that is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x in bracket a square, that is sin inverse x whole square plus b square, that is cos inverse x whole square minus ab, that is sin inverse x into cos inverse x, right? Now again there is an important identity in trigonometry, that is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, right? This is an important identity of inverse trigonometry. So if we use this thing here, this sin inverse x plus cos inverse x will become, sorry, this is not pi by 4, this is pi by 2, okay? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. So if we use this identity here, this will become pi by 2, right? So this will become pi by 2 in bracket. We have sin inverse x square plus cos inverse x square, right? So I can write this as sin inverse x plus cos inverse x whole square. Now since we have written a square plus b square as a plus b whole square, we have to subtract minus 2ab, right? So we have to subtract minus 2ab, that is sin inverse x cos inverse x, and this minus sin inverse x cos inverse x will be as it is, right? So we have this thing now. So on further simplification, this will become, again this will become pi by 2, right? So this will be pi square by 4 minus, this will become 3 sin inverse x cos inverse x, right? Now here I can replace this sin inverse x as pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, right? So this will become pi by 2 in bracket pi square by 4 minus 3 sin inverse x will become pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, right? So pi by 2 minus cos inverse x into cos inverse x, right? If I simplify this further, this will be pi by 2 in bracket pi square by 4 minus 3 pi by 2 cos inverse x plus 3 cos inverse x whole square, right? Now I am taking 3 common from the bracket, so we will have 3 pi by 2 in bracket cos inverse x whole square minus pi by 2 cos inverse x plus pi square by 12, right? So I can write this as 3 pi by 2 in bracket cos inverse x minus pi by 4 whole square, right? So we have a square, and here we have pi square by 16, right? Plus pi square by 16. So we have to subtract pi square by 16, right? And minus 2ab. So this will be minus 2ab, right? And this pi square by 12 is also there. So this thing. So we finally have this thing, right? Now let's simplify this thing further. So this will become 3 pi by 2 in bracket cos inverse x minus pi by 4 whole square minus, this will become plus pi square by 48, right? So this is our final function, okay? So we finally transformed our function like this, okay? Now we want the extremum values of this function, that is the maximum and minimum values, okay? So let's first of all try for the minimum value, okay? So to find out the minimum value of this function, this cos inverse x must be minimum, right? or we can see that this squared term should be minimum, right? And we know that the minimum value of any squared term can be 0, right? So from here we can see that this f of x will be minimum when this square term will be minimum, and the minimum value of any square term is 0, right? So cos inverse x minus pi by 4 should be equal to 0, or we can write that cos inverse x must be equal to pi by 4 for this function to be minimum, right? So but we have to find out the minimum value, right? So let's put cos inverse x as pi by 4 here. So this whole term will become 0. We will finally have f of x as 3 pi by 2 in bracket 0 plus pi square by 48, right? So this will become 3 pi cube by 2 into 48, or this will become, this will be cancelled out by 16, right? So the minimum value of f of x will be pi cube by 32. Okay, so this will be the minimum value of f of x. Now let's find out the maximum value, right? So for the maximum value, we know that cos inverse x, the range of cos inverse x is in between 0, sorry, it's 0 to pi, right? The range of cos inverse x is in between 0 to pi, right? So from here we can see that the maximum value of cos inverse x will be pi, right? So we will have the maximum value of this function when this cos inverse x will be maximum, or we can see that this function will have maximum value when this square term is maximum, and that will be maximum when this cos inverse x will be maximum, right? And the maximum value of cos inverse x is pi, right? Because the range of cos inverse x is in between 0 to pi. So let's put cos inverse x as pi here. So we will have f of x as 3 pi by 2 in bracket pi minus pi by 4 whole square plus pi square by 48, right? So this will become 3 pi by 2 in bracket pi minus pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 4 whole square. So that will be 9 pi by 16 plus pi square by 48, right? So on simplification, this will become 3 pi by 2 in bracket, this is pi square, right? So this will become 28 pi square by 48. Okay, so if we simplify this further, this will be 16 and this will be 14, right? So this will become 7 pi cube by 8, right? So this is the maximum value of the given function, that is 7 pi cube by 8, and this is the minimum value of the given function, that is pi cube by 32. Okay, let's see the options. So here you can see that this 7 pi cube by 8 will be the maximum value, so this will be one answer, and this pi cube by 32 will be the minimum value of this function, right? So this will also be the answer. So this will be the maximum and minimum value or the extremum values of the given function. Okay, so this will be our answer. I hope this will help you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.